Video in the fundamentals of mathematics. We're going to have this very simple video in addition of fractions. So what I did is to divide this in three different videos, sub-videos. This is first, we're going to talk about very simply the addition of similar fractions. Okay, so we're going to talk about similar fractions here. So again, what are similar fractions? Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. So how do we add them? So first, very simply, to add the similar fractions, add the numerators and copy their denominators. Again, add the numerators and then copy the denominators. And don't forget to always express the sum in its simplest form. Now, to give you an example, let's have this example over here for number 2 and number 3. Okay, now, so again, copy the numerators, or rather add the numerators, copy the denominators. Again, add the numerators, copy the denominator. So we say 2 plus 3 is going to give us 4. Copy the denominators, which is 5. Is this in the simplest form? That is, can this be simplified more? No, because we cannot simplify them. And this is our answer, 4 over 5. Okay, how about number 2? So again, add the numerators. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then copy the denominators, which is equal to 9. And then you ask yourselves, can this be simplified more? So the answer is no. And this is our answer. Okay, now let's have one more example, shall we say, that needs to be simplified. Shall we have, let's put it over 8. Let's give this 1 here plus, say, 3 here over 8. Okay, and then what is the answer? Now, we need to add 1 plus 3. That's going to give us 4. And then copy the numerator, which is 8. Oops. Okay, just technicalities. When you write fractions, make sure that the fraction bar or the fraction line is between the equal signs. Okay, so this is our answer, 4 over 8. And then you ask yourselves, is this in the simplest form? Okay, so the answer is no, because 4 over 8 has a greatest common factor, which is 4. Okay, so which means they can be divided still. They can be simplified to the lowest terms. That is, we can divide this 4 by 4, and we will divide this 8 by 4. That will give us, if we're going to divide 4 by 4, that's going to give us 1. And if we're going to divide 8 by 4, it's going to give us 2. And this is the simplest form, and this is our answer. Okay, for number 3. One more example for simplification. Shall we have for number 4 something with the denominator of, say, 12? Okay, let's put 2 here plus 5 over here plus 3 over here. And then that will be it. Okay, let's add. Again, add the numerators, copy the denominators. So this will give us 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is going to give us 10 over 12. Now you ask yourselves, is this the lowest term? Okay, is there any factor of 10 and 12 which can divide them both? Okay, so well, the answer is yes. Their greatest common factor is actually 2, so we can divide this 10 by 2. We can divide this 12 by 2. And if we do that, what we'll have is, 10 divided by 2 is going to give us 5. And 12 divided by 2 is going to give us 6. And this is our answer. Okay, so I think that's the end for this video. Actually, the concept is still going to be the same if I'm going to add more. So that's it. Again, add the numerators, copy the denominators, and then don't forget to simplify. Okay, this is number 1. We have number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope I helped. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, see ya.